natin yung journey ng mga characters.
To some, may isang question pa po. Si
Wow,
Sam,
meron pa.
tanong ko lang, may hesitation ba to accept the role? This is your first time to...
Natanong na kanina.
I
Tapos
mean,
na.
may awkward moment ba during that times na eksena kay Sanjo, and si Sanjo bilang nagampanan na yung role na ganito, may parang binigyan mo ba ng idea or tinuruan si Sam kung how naipapwede yung...
Well, it's still different para sa akin yan. Kasi, di ba, like he said, sorry, I'm answering you. It's answering for Sanjo. Kasi he's done dalawang gay role, but never in a relationship.
Romance.
Tama. Yung sa 24/7 in love, tapos romance. Yeah. Iba talaga. And like I said earlier, actually, may mga few scenes na dun sa umpisa na parang weird ito. But it's a good thing na first off, napakagaling talaga si Sanjo as an actor, and also it's a romantic comedy. So Sanjo and I are friends. I feel comfortable with Sanjo also. So it made things a lot easier.
Actually, nag-react lang naman ako sa eksena ko. Si Sam yung eksena ko. So kung ano man yung makikita nyo sa akin, reaction ko lang yun sa kung ano ginagawa nung